Hello everyone, it's been a while since I made a video. So in this video I'll be covering, well, I'll be seeing if I can try to replace it. What I'm talking about is the sunroof. So I've been trying to replace this noise because it's been going on for a couple months now. I accidentally opened it on ice while it was wintertime. Then I heard something crack. And then now all you hear is this cracking noise whenever you close it. So that's when you open it. Then whenever you try to close it, it makes that cracking noise. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to see what's going on with that. See if I can try to fix it by any means. So yeah, I'll be go ahead and giving a step by step. So it has these let's see if you can see it. Here, these three little screws right there. Let me pause it real quick. So it's like those screws. It has three of them. One right there, one right there, and one right there, and then the same thing goes to the other side. So I'm gonna remove those and see if the glass panel comes off. So we got the sunroof off its hinges. So now what we'll see is to go ahead and inspect. Take it up with me. It is this little thing right here. So this little thing is loose because it broke from the plastic, which causes this little thing right here that fell down to the ground. It's locked in now, but that thing, since this is loose, it fell down here, which caused it to hook on here and caused that cracking noise. So came loose right now, and that's the part I'm talking about. So it was essentially hooked onto here, and that's what causes the cracking noise. So you put it down. I forgot to mention, y'all, that we went to a local pull apart and we found the part that was broken. We managed to find a 4th generation Mitsubishi Eclipse that had the part and the sunroof. So that's the clip. That's how the part looks like. And we brought both of them just in case it breaks. And that's how it looks like installed. So, yeah. So, as you can see, it's a new day. I'm somewhere right now with my dad, the mechanic. But, so, this is the part that's broken on the sunroof. They're really hard to come by. I haven't seen any online. It's this little plastic thing. I'm not sure if I can focus. That little plastic thing right there. That little clip. It's like a clip. Clips onto the slider. And that's essentially what's broken on my car. So there's like a little sprout that hooks onto this. So whenever it goes down, this hook slides along, and then the little sprout, as it's going down, it goes inside of there. And when you push it up, there's a mechanism that goes inside of here, inside that hole right there. That is what pushes the sunroof up, and that clip is what keeps it all together, along with another clip that goes in between. Let's see, that goes on this, so that slides, and that has to slide, or else it's gonna break. So this is a new one that I found all the way in Canton. The one I found in Akron, I guess I tightened it too much right here so it wouldn't slide, and that put too much pressure on this clip. So when I was trying to go up, it essentially bended this and it broke again. So we had to go all the way to Canton, and thankfully we found another one like it. So yeah, I haven't seen any on sale online, so this is essentially a last resort. If it breaks, then we're done for, unless another Mitsubishi Eclipse comes along that has a sunroof. But yeah, that was just a little description of what we're changing. Not sure if I'm gonna make a video because my dad might be helping me, but I'll let you know if it works or not. If not, then it was just an attempt. If your sunroof is clicking, and if you take it off and you see this component broken, you might want to go to your local pull apart or junkyard to see if there's a Mitsubishi Eclipse that has a sunroof and contains this part. Also, quick note, we also tried to look for these 3rd generation Mitsubishi Eclipse that had a sunroof, but it is a totally different mechanism. It's not this plastic thing anymore. It's like a whole metal bar, and it's encaged inside the mechanism. It's encaged inside that metal bar. So if you find like a 3rd generation Eclipse, and if you're looking for the same solution on my card, then it won't work. It needs to be specifically a 4th gen. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it works and it doesn't break this time. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Alright, hello y'all. So we got the part installed, and that's how it's supposed to be. What we figured is that this slide, it should be straight. The reason it wasn't straight and it broke is because it was tilted this way. It needs to be completely straight. So yeah, everything is back in its place, and I'm just hoping that it straightens out with the moonroof. So for now it's fixed, but I'll keep you updated if anything breaks. I'm hoping nothing breaks, because this is the last resort. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the sunroof installed, and we'll see what happens. Hey y'all, so we got the sunroof installed, and take a look at this. There we go. No more clicking. Maybe when you put it out. All the way, put it in. No more clicking. Whew, that is a relief, especially now that in the summertime. That is very much needed. But yeah, we got the thing fixed. It's pretty stressful, but we got things done. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you out a lot, because there's rarely any support for Mitsubishis at all, especially Eclipses. So yeah, if you're having clicking problems, this might be a problem. Yeah, hopefully this video helps you out, and hopefully your pull apart has a Mitsubishi Eclipse, a 4th generation one as well. But I'll probably talk more about the aftermath, or show you guys more tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for now. Peace. Hi everyone. So a couple weeks later, the sunroof thing, it's still working well. Yeah, it works well, no problems, and everything is working good. So put it up, slide it back, and you put it down, trash this in. No more clicking. So hopefully this video helps you out. I know it's been a hassle to try to put this on and fix it, but it's worth it overall, because that clicking noise gets annoying. My girlfriend said it was annoying. So she's glad that it got fixed. So hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any clicking problems, hopefully this is your solution, and I'll come up with more videos out as well. Stay tuned, hold on. I'm trying to get them pumped as best as I can. I've been lacking, but trying to make more videos. So hopefully you like this one. Hopefully you found it helpful, and feel free to watch my other videos. If you don't, that's fine. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.